Hey everyone, welcome back to TriTech AB. Today we're diving into the OnePlus 13S 5G, the latest mid-premium offering from OnePlus, blending flagship specs, a compact design, and next-gen AI features. We'll break down everything from its display and performance to its camera capabilities, battery life, and how it compares to the standard OnePlus 13. Let's get started. The OnePlus 13S 5G stands out with a fresh, elegant design. It comes in three stylish finishes: black velvet, green silk, and pink satin, each with a soft, matte look and subtle shimmer. In terms of build, it's slim and compact, and yes, noticeably lighter than many current flagships. The front features a 6.32-inch 1.5K OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10+, and Dolby Vision support. Now, compared to the OnePlus 13's 6.82-inch QHD Plus panel, this one's more pocket-friendly and easier to use one-handed, but still sharp and vibrant enough for content consumption, gaming, and day-to-day use. Performance-wise, this phone isn't playing around. It's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite Edition, tuned for enhanced GPU performance and lower thermals. That's paired with up to 16 gigabytes of LPDDR5X RAM and 512 gigabytes of UFS 4.0 storage, which means blazing fast app loading, smooth multitasking, and console-level mobile gaming. But the real spotlight here is the software. It ships with ColorOS 14.2 in China, expected to launch globally with Oxygen OS 14. What's new? The AI Suite Plus OnePluses push into generative and assistive AI. You get AI Mind. Lets you search your phone with natural language, like, show me the photo I took at the beach last week. Image to action. AI recognizes elements in photos and lets you take action like booking flights or creating calendar events. And the customizable plus key, a smart button that replaces the alert slider and can launch AI tools, toggle brightness, or open apps. Camera-wise, the OnePlus 13S sports a dual rear system, a 50-megapixel main sensor and a 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom. Now, there's no ultra-wide lens like on the OnePlus 13, which might disappoint creators or landscape shooters. But this setup still offers crisp detail, clean portraits, and sharp 2x zoom shots. The selfie camera is a 16-megapixel front shooter, which supports full HD video and portrait enhancements. There's no 8K video recording here, maxes out at 4K 60 frames per second, but stabilization and color science are tuned well for most users. When it comes to battery, the OnePlus 13's actually beats its big brother in one area: capacity. You get a 6,260 mAh battery, slightly more than the OnePlus 13's 6,000 mAh. In real-world use, this means a full day and beyond on a single charge, even with gaming, media, and background apps. It supports 80-watt fast-wired charging, which fills the phone from 0 to 100% in around 30 minutes. But there's no wireless charging, a clear trade-off at this price point. So how does the OnePlus 13S stack up to the regular OnePlus 13? The 13's has a smaller display but same refresh rate. It keeps the same main and telephoto cameras, but drops the ultra-wide battery is slightly larger and charging speed is identical. Same Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, but the 13's gets the Elite Edition variant, which is slightly more optimized. This makes the 13S an excellent pick for users who want flagship performance, a compact form factor, and next-gen AI tools, but are willing to skip features like wireless charging and ultra-wide photography. The OnePlus 13S officially launches in China on June 5, 2025. Global availability hasn't been confirmed yet, but based on OnePlus's track record, we expect a wider rollout in Asia and Europe within the next few months. So what are your thoughts on the OnePlus 13S 5G? Does it strike the right balance of power, AI, and price? Or are you waiting for something else? Drop your comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more honest and in-depth tech reviews right here on TriTech AB. See you next time.